It's no secret that the traditional soda industry is dying. So here at SAP, we see a $60 billion market that needs to be reinvented and disrupted. SAP is a line of superfood sparkling beverages made out of maple tree sap and birch tree sap. Our products have way less sugar than normal soft drinks and actually make you healthier when you drink them, which we see as a revolution in this category.
FoodBytes is really helping us spread our message about the importance of trees in fighting climate change, the importance of creating new lines of business for farmers, supporting rural economies, supporting jobs that are really needed, especially in the rural areas of Vermont.
And at Nectar, we give honeybees a voice. Every year, we lose about 40% of our bees because of pesticides, parasites, and diseases. And everyone in the audience should care, since almost a third of the food we grow depends on pollination. What if the bees could tell the beekeepers how to keep them healthy? And at Nectar, that's what we provide them, a beehive management platform using sensors and AI.
It's great to see that we can tie bees with the rest of the food industry and really make sure that we work together on this.
You're all aware of the plight of the commercial fishermen, a $50 billion problem in a $400 billion industry. The solution is to provide eyes in the net and a full digital platform to identify, measure, and manage and reduce waste in commercial fishing practices.
I think it helps validate the whole mission around the challenges with sustainable seafood and wild capture and how we can make a difference with technologies. Thank you, Rabobank, from SmartCatch, upwards and onwards.